Welcome to our deep dive into MOSFET characteristics. MOSFET or metal-oxide-semiconductor field effect transistor is a fundamental component in modern electronics. It's widely used for switching and amplifying electronic signals. In this video, we'll explore what makes MOSFETs unique, how they operate, and why understanding their characteristics is crucial for anyone working with electronic circuits. Let's start by looking at the basic structure and function of a MOSFET, setting the stage for a detailed exploration of its electrical behavior. Structure of a MOSFET consists of three main terminals: the gate, the drain, and the source. The gate is insulated from the channel by a thin layer of oxide, which is a defining feature of MOSFETs. This insulation allows the gate to control the flow of current between the drain and source without direct electrical contact. The channel itself can be either N-type or P-type, depending on the MOSFET type. Understanding this structure is essential for grasping how MOSFETs function in circuits and why their characteristics differ from other transistors. MOSFETs come in two main types: N-channel and P-channel. N-channel MOSFETs use electrons as charge carriers, while P-channel MOSFETs use holes. Each type has its own advantages and is chosen based on the application requirements. N-channel MOSFETs generally offer higher mobility and lower resistance, making them popular in power applications. P-channel MOSFETs, on the other hand, are often used in complementary circuits. Knowing the difference between these types is vital for selecting the right MOSFET for your project. Operation of a MOSFET is based on controlling the voltage applied to the gate terminal. When a voltage is applied, it creates an electric field that modulates the conductivity of the channel. This allows current to flow from the drain to the source. The gate voltage essentially acts as a switch, enabling or disabling current flow. This principle is what makes MOSFETs so effective in digital and analog circuits, providing fast switching and efficient amplification. One of the key characteristics of a MOSFET is the threshold voltage, often denoted as VTH. This is the minimum gate voltage required to create a conductive channel between the drain and source. Below this voltage, the MOSFET remains off and no current flows. The threshold voltage is critical for designing circuits as it determines the switching behavior and sensitivity of the MOSFET. Different MOSFETs have different threshold voltages, tailored for specific application. Drain current, denoted as ID, is another important characteristic. It refers to the amount of current that flows from the drain to the source when the MOSFET is turned on. The drain current depends on the gate voltage, the channel length, and the channel width. Understanding how drain current behaves is essential for designing circuits that require precise control of power and signal amplification. This characteristic is often plotted in MOSFET datasheets to help engineers select the right device. Transfer characteristics describe the relationship between the gate voltage and the drain current. This curve is fundamental for understanding how a MOSFET responds to input signals. The transfer characteristics help engineers determine the operating regions of the MOSFET, such as cutoff, linear, and saturation. By analyzing this curve, designers can optimize circuit performance and ensure reliable operation under different conditions. Output characteristics illustrate how the drain current varies with the drain source voltage for different gate voltages. This set of curves is crucial for understanding the behavior of MOSFETs in various operating modes. Output characteristics are used to identify the saturation region, where the MOSFET acts as a constant current source, and the linear region, where it behaves like a variable resistor. These insights are vital for designing amplifiers and switches. Cutoff region is where the MOSFET is essentially off. In this state, the gate voltage is below the threshold and no conductive channel is formed. As a result, the drain current is nearly zero. This region is important for digital circuits where MOSFETs are used as switches. Understanding the cutoff region helps designers ensure that unwanted leakage currents are minimized, improving circuit efficiency and reliability. The linear region, the MOSFET operates like a variable resistor. The gate voltage is above the threshold, and the drain source voltage is relatively low. The drain current increases linearly with the drain source voltage. This region is useful for analog applications such as amplifiers, where precise control of current is needed. Designers often exploit the linear region to achieve desired signal amplification and modulation. Saturation region is where the MOSFET acts as a constant current source. Here, the gate voltage is well above the threshold and the drain source voltage is high enough to pinch off the channel. The drain current becomes independent of the drain source voltage and is controlled mainly by the gate voltage. This region is critical for designing amplifiers and high-speed switches, as it provides stable current flow. Gate capacitance is a unique characteristic of MOSFETs due to the insulated gate structure. It affects how quickly the MOSFET can switch on and off. High gate capacitance can slow down switching speed, which is a concern in high-frequency applications. Designers must consider gate capacitance when selecting MOSFETs for fast digital circuits, ensuring optimal performance and minimal signal delay. On resistance, often denoted as RDS on, is the resistance between the drain and source when the MOSFET is fully on. Low on resistance is desirable for power applications as it reduces energy loss and heat generation. This characteristic is a key parameter in choosing MOSFETs for efficient power management, especially in battery-powered devices and power supplies. Body effect refers to the influence of the substrate voltage on the threshold voltage of the MOSFET. When the source and substrate are not at the same potential, the threshold voltage can change, affecting the MOSFET's operation. This effect is important in integrated circuits where multiple MOSFETs share a common substrate. Designers must account for the body effect to ensure consistent performance across all devices. Subthreshold conduction occurs when the gate voltage is below the threshold, but a small current still flows due to thermal effects. This leakage current can impact low-power circuits, especially in battery-operated devices. Understanding subthreshold conduction helps engineers minimize unwanted power loss and improve the energy efficiency of their designs. Channel length modulation is a phenomenon where the effective channel length decreases as the drain source voltage increases. This causes the drain current to rise slightly in the saturation region, deviating from ideal constant current behavior. Designers must consider channel length modulation when modeling MOSFETs for accurate circuit simulation and performance prediction. Gate leakage is the small current that can flow through the gate oxide due to imperfections or high electric fields. While MOSFETs are designed to minimize gate leakage, it can become significant in advanced, miniaturized devices. Excessive gate leakage affects power consumption and reliability, so engineers must monitor this characteristic, especially in low-power and high-density applications. Breakdown voltage is the maximum drain source voltage the MOSFET can withstand before the device fails. Exceeding this voltage can cause irreversible damage and compromise circuit safety. Designers must ensure that MOSFETs operate within their rated breakdown voltage to maintain reliability and prevent catastrophic failures in electronic systems. Safe Operating Area (SOA) defines the range of voltages and currents where the MOSFET can operate without damage. Staying within the SOA ensures the device's longevity and prevents overheating or breakdown. Engineers use SOA charts to select MOSFETs that match their circuit requirements, balancing performance and safety. Temperature can significantly impact MOSFET characteristics. As temperature rises, threshold voltage decreases and leakage currents increase. High temperatures can also affect on resistance and switching speed. Designers must consider thermal effects when selecting and placing MOSFETs, using heat sinks or cooling methods to ensure stable operation. MOSFETs are prized for their fast switching speed, which is essential in digital circuits and power electronics. Switching speed depends on gate capacitance, channel resistance, and device geometry. Faster switching enables higher frequency operation and improved efficiency in applications like motor drives and power supplies. Power dissipation is the amount of energy lost as heat during MOSFET operation. It depends on drain current, on resistance, and switching frequency. Managing power dissipation is crucial for preventing overheating and ensuring device reliability. Engineers use thermal modeling and heat sinks to keep MOSFETs within safe temperature limits. Parasitic capacitance arises from the physical layout of the MOSFET and its connections. It can affect signal integrity and switching speed, especially in high-frequency circuits. Minimizing parasitic capacitance is important for achieving optimal performance and reducing unwanted signal distortion. Gate drive requirements refer to the voltage and current needed to switch the MOSFET on and off efficiently. Proper gate drive ensures fast switching and minimizes losses. Designers must match gate drivers to MOSFET specifications, especially in high-power applications, to achieve reliable and efficient operation. Reverse recovery is a characteristic relevant to MOSFETs with body diodes. When switching from conducting to non-conducting states, the body diode can cause a brief current spike. Understanding reverse recovery is important for designing circuits with minimal switching noise and improved efficiency. Avalanche energy is the energy a MOSFET can absorb during a breakdown event without permanent damage. This characteristic is important in circuits exposed to voltage spikes, such as automotive and industrial applications. Selecting MOSFETs with adequate avalanche energy ratings ensures robust and reliable operation under harsh conditions. Gate charge is the total charge required to switch the MOSFET from off to on. It affects switching speed and energy consumption. Lower gate charge enables faster switching and lower power loss, making it a key parameter in high-speed and energy-efficient designs. MOSFETs are used in a wide range of applications, from power supplies and motor controllers to audio amplifiers and digital logic circuits. Their unique characteristics make them ideal for both high-speed switching and precise analog control. Understanding MOSFET characteristics helps engineers choose the right device for each application, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Selecting the right MOSFET involves evaluating key characteristics such as threshold voltage, on resistance, gate charge, and breakdown voltage. Designers must match these parameters to their circuit requirements, balancing performance, efficiency, and reliability. Careful selection ensures that the MOSFET operates safely and meets the demands of the application. Summary: MOSFETs are versatile and essential components in modern electronics. Their characteristics, including threshold voltage, drain current, switching speed, and power dissipation, define their performance in various applications. By understanding these properties, engineers can design efficient, reliable, and innovative electronic systems. Whether you're working on power electronics, digital circuits, or analog amplifiers, mastering MOSFET characteristics is key to success.